Hello friends, so today we learned about differences between in and into. So in is used with something that is stationary and into is used when something is momentum. In is used when something is at one point that is not moving, but into is used when something is moving from one place to another. So the bird is dash in the dash the bird is dash the birdhouse. So the bird is where in its bird house. So it will be in because the bird is not moving in its bird house. Is not moving from one place to another. It is in its bird house. I am studying my room. So he is studying where? In his room. He is not moving from one place to another. So it will be in. So the next one is he poured water dash the jug. So from where he poured the water? He poured the water is moving from one place to another, from one place to jug. So it will be into. She drive the dash the pool. So she is moving from one place to another. She is moving from somewhere to the pool. So into. The next one is the river flows the sea. So the river is flowing where? The sea, one place to another. So it will be into. We stood the class means he is standing in the class means he is not moving from class. So it will be in. The next one is I swam the lagoon. So he is swimming in the lagoon. So he is not moving from one place to another. He is in the lagoon. So it will be in. So the next one is he ran dash their classroom. So he is running where? From one place to another in the classroom. So he ran into the classroom. I walked the kitchen. He is walking from somewhere to the kitchen. So it is moving from one place to another. It is into. And the last one is for you. Please comment in the comment box. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.